I'll give you 3 bonus tips why you should not get a season pass at the ski resorts. So watch the video until the end and I'll give you these 3 bonus tips that you really want to hear and take advantage of. So we are back again today at Ski Martok for our second day of skiing. It's our first time. So I'm just gonna remove, or I'm just gonna take out my board here. So case board is already here down. Oh my goodness. All right, so in this video I'm going to share with you top 5 reasons why you should get a season pass at any ski resorts, whether it's in Europe, in the US, in Canada, or everywhere you go, because there are great reasons for you to get a season pass on any ski resort. So when choosing a day pass or a ski pass, it totally depends on the person, on how often you go to the ski resort. So if you are a beginner or if you are a learner, snowboarder or skier, the two skis, we call that ski then snowboard. So I would greatly suggest that you get a season pass, because there is a lot of advantages on getting a season pass, especially if you are still learning. So number one there is you have unlimited access to the resort. So in other words, you could go to the resort anytime if they are open, and then you could use most of their amenities because you have a season pass. So that is my number one reason why you should get a season pass on a ski resort. Or the second reason is it is more cost effective to purchase a season pass. It's more cost effective because what I'm seeing is like here in Martok, Ski Martok here in Nova Scotia, if you are going to get their daily pass or day pass, so it's like an unlimited pass for the day, it costs around $60. That is without rentals of the equipment yet. So with the rental of the equipment, it's $95. So what we did was we purchased the season pass, which was still a little bit cheaper, and we purchased it at the mid of their sales season. So we purchased it around $225 for the season pass, and now during the season days already, it's around 365, no, $380. So that is how expensive it is. So for the $225, you could already maximize it on more than 5 usage already. So 60 times 5, that's already 300. And then the season pass that we purchased, it's around $225 only. So that is one of the reasons why you need to purchase a season pass. So next reason is discounts and perks to the other resorts. However, right now, our season passes in Martok doesn't give us any perks with other resorts, because I think they are independent. They are an independent ski resorts, just one company. However, maybe in other resorts, they have other resorts in other areas. So you would be able to have access to the other resorts, and you could also benefit from their perks if they offer any perks. So that is one of the reasons why you should get a season pass on the ski resorts. So fourth benefit here is flexibility. So you can ski as often as you can, as much as you want, any time of the week, any time of the day. So you just, like a plug and play, you just bring your Most be your passes here, like this one, your season pass, and then just go to the resort and then start your start your start your fun, start your skiing. So the fifth benefit here is convenience. Of course, you don't have to fall in line anymore. You don't have to go to any counter just to get your tickets. All you have to do is just go directly to the resort or the ski area. I'll give you 3 bonus tips why you should not get a season pass at the ski resorts. First is the upfront cost, because you don't know how much you are going to pay, because there are certain months that they have their own set of pricing. So if you haven't decided these months yet, then you will be deciding on the next months. And then if you haven't decided on these months, then you'll have to decide on these ones again until you reach the time when it's so expensive already. So prices could go up. So if you haven't made up your mind yet, it's going to be very expensive for you. Second reason is commitment. So you will be forced, or for me, like, yeah, you'll be forced to go to the ski resort as often as you can, because you have paid for it. You have paid, like us, we paid around $225 or $229. So we really need to be at the resort all the time, so that we will maximize whatever we paid. At least that by the end of the season, it's like we haven't paid anything. So that is one of the reasons that you should not get a season pass, because of this commitment, which is sometimes not practical for everyone else. And last but not the least, the third reason why you should not get a season pass for these ski resort is some only have specific resorts that you could use. So let's just say, for example, the ones that we went to. So it's Ski Marto. So it's the only ski resort that we could go to. So it's only in Ski Marto. We can't use it at the other ski resorts. So we will be sticking only to Ski Marto. So if we want to go to the other resorts here in Nova Scotia or anywhere in Canada, we will again have to pay another set of season pass. So that is one of the reasons why you should not get a season pass from the ski resorts.